If 2025 is your year for clear, flawless skin, then keep watching. Hey Honey sent me 2 of their moisturizing color correcting creams, and let me tell you, I am obsessed. I got Deep Tan and Deep. So here's how I plan to use it. The Deep is around my skin tone, so I use that like a foundation. I'm trying it right here. And you can see how it the color flows in. Look at it against the hand that I didn't do. The only thing that it does, or how it looks different, is that it really makes my face and my hand look flawless. So I'm going in with some moisturizer. If you guys have not tried their moisturizer, you have to try it. It is life, okay? So I'm going in with a little bit of the Deep Tan to put under my eye, just because sometimes I have dark circles and that will brighten it up. Then I'm going to go through with the Deep to put on the rest of my face, just to give me a really flawless finish. Just a little bit of makeup, like a little powder to set it, my eyebrows, and I am ready for the day. This stuff feels so good on. It feels light. It doesn't feel cakey. And also it takes away some of the dark circles you may have, or if you suffer from rosacea or skin redness, it's going to help with that as well. I love this stuff. If you're looking for a good, flawless cover up for your face, Hey Honey is it.